What are you doing this evening? Hey? Want some peanuts? Look at this. So funny. Here you go. You go away and hide them now. Look at that. Break it open and break it down. Learning very quickly, don't they? Amazing. Come on in. Gonna follow me out the garden. Come on in. Here he goes. I'll be down here in a minute. I'll take these nuts. Come on in. Here we go. Come on in. Oops, nearly dropped the phone. Here he goes. Come on in. Come on in. Here he comes. Look at that. Fantastic. Oh, he's landed on my head. Good boy. You missed my shoulder and landed on my head, didn't you? Here you go. Brilliant, isn't it? Come on. Come on in. There we are. He's on the mealworms now. Wow. Well, he parted my hair then. That was amazing. Friend for life, mate, ain't you? Oh, you've got a big, look at that, he's being a bit greedy now, taking the whole peanuts, and rather than the half one, so he can get them in his crop and take them away and hide them. Brilliant. Fantastic.